Welcome to the Setiba Medical Spa podcast. Setiba Medical Spa offers aesthetic and wellness services located in Westlake Village, California. We offer state-of-the-art treatments which are administered by our professional team of highly experienced and licensed practitioners.
Hi everyone, this is Emilia Khajavi, CEO and founder of Setiba Medical Spa with over 30 years of experience with aesthetics, non-surgical treatments and skincare, and I'm so excited to share my experience and what we do at Setiba with you guys. And today I have our office coordinator and office manager, Saba, here.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for having me. So
Of
tell
course.
me, you are behind Setiba.
Thank
you are on the
you.
Instagram, you're behind the stories. We see you everywhere.
I know. Well, I would love for you guys to be the face of Setiba, but not everyone is comfortable to be in front of camera. Not I am comfortable, but I have to do it.
You were made for the camera.
Oh, thank you, Ann.
Your
Thank you.
skin is phenomenal.
Thank you to Setiba team.
Tell me, so you have over 30 years of experience.
Yes.
When did you open up Setiba?
We started Setiba in Westlake Village in October 2017.
So what were you doing before then?
I've been running medical spas and surgical centers, and I've been working with plastic surgeons and doctors for over 22 years now.
So clearly you know what you're doing.
100%. 100%.
Tell me a little bit about Setiba. What is there that you offer at Setiba?
Of course. At Setiba Medical Spa, we offer everything non-surgical, and we want to look natural. So everything is popular at Setiba. I love every services, but Morpheus 8 face and body for
We love Morpheus 8. Body contouring, melt the fat on your face to get those nice cheekbones. I can go on and on.
Oh, definitely. You can do body contouring with Morpheus 8. We have M-Sculpt if you want to build muscles after when you get rid of the fat. We do plasma pen. I love plasma pen.
Plasma
I see
pen
the
is
result.
magic.
Beautiful. It's like a razor removes the wrinkles on the skin, and you see results in 7 to 10 days.
It's crazy the difference. It's night and day.
Other services that we do at Setiba, it's liquid facelift, which is Botox and fillers. We do facials, medical rated facials. We do hormone replacement. I love hormone replacement. It makes a huge difference, and it's great for anyone. If you feel tired, if you feel you're exhausted, you can sleep, your mood changes, you can focus, come and see us, do a blood work. That's something related to the hormones.
Even people who are working out, big in like working out, hormone replacement, great for that as well.
100%. It's great. It change your life day and night.
We also have IV infusions. They're great. You can customize them. They're great for hangovers too. We get a lot of those calls on the weekends. People love to come in for IVs.
Definitely. And even for IVs, we can customize it. Like classic Meyer, we add different vitamins. We make a cocktail based on what you need. We do glutathione. We do Lipo-C for weight loss. So based on what you need, we can customize for our patients.
We can customize anything at Setiba for our patients. Whatever they want, we give it to them. We're a one-stop shop.
Definitely. It's one of it reminds me of Wizard of Oz when they were working, like 5 people working on one person. They were doing hair and makeup. That's exactly how it is in Setiba.
Literally, you go from one room to the next.
Exactly. One room is Gwen, one room is Jordan, and Emilia is always in the middle between room, pulling patients and doing treatments. So I love what we do at Setiba because I have a big passion for aesthetics, and I always loved it since I was 14 years old. So
I mean, it shows. Look at you. Look at your skin, the way it glows.
Thank you.
So,
Thank
do
you.
you just do the treatments? Do you use any products?
Of course, of course. So doing treatments is amazing, but when you go home, you have to take care of your skin. You have to use some products. So when patients come to us, we do a treatment plan for them. So for example, if they are a good candidate for Morpheus 8 or plasma pen, we we tell them what products at home they have to use to get them to results that they want. If you don't use product, when you do these services, it looks like you go to a dentist, do a deep cleaning, and when you go home, you don't brush your teeth.
That's true. Honestly, some people who don't even use SPF, that's a big no-no. SPF is one of the most important things you can have in your skincare bag.
100%. If you don't use any other products, make sure to have your SPF. And anything above 50, it's not going to do anything extra. And I love Elta MD SPF.
Oh, I love
They
their
have
SPF.
tinted, non-tinted. They have it for sports. They have it for oily skin. And it is amazing.
What do you carry in your skincare bag?
I have a suitcase for my skincare. So I like to mix and match products. So from vitamin C, growth factor, retinols, eye cream for day and night, and from different lines, I mix and match. And we carry GM Collins. I love it. Their products are from stem cell of apple. I love Underskin and Zio Obagi that everyone knows about it.
Great products. Actually, you know what? We have a new product at the office called Upneeq. You want to tell them about it?
Of course, of course. Upneeq, I love it as well. It helps with droopy eyelids. And there are some people, they don't want to do any services. They don't want to do treatments. They don't want to do surgeries, but they have droopy eyelids. We have a product called Upneeq. You can use it daily. It takes about, it's an eye drop. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to kick in, but it gives you a brighter, bigger eyes, and it gets rid of the droopy eyelid. It's amazing.
It's pretty much a nap in a bottle.
It is.
It's phenomenal. Tell me more about what it is that you do for Setiba and why does Setiba stand out amongst other med spas?
Of course. There are several reasons I believe Setiba stands out. One of them is the best team I gathered for our patients. We have knowledgeable, experienced, professional with extended training on all the non-surgical treatments. And we have the best and top number one equipment that is available for medical spas, and we keep our staff updated with all the services and treatments. Another reason I believe Setiba stands out is because we go above and beyond for our clients.
It's true, we do.
We treat them VIP, and when they come in, they become our family. So it's very important for me and Setiba team to have a best customer service and take care of our clients.
We really do try to go above and beyond for our clients.
100%.
Love
It's
them
very
all.
important. And another reason I believe Setiba stands out, it's because Emilia is running it. I have the experience, 30 years of experience. I know skin. I know what women want. And I know how to communicate with patients. And we explain and describe how the services works. So there is no hidden or miss something in there. And I think I do a good job.
You do. You do a very good job.
Thank you.
Without you, we're nothing at the office.
No, no, no. I really appreciate Setiba team, and definitely we will have our team at the podcast that you guys can meet them. But beside the providers that we have at Setiba, We have different team that you guys don't see them. I would say we have about 30 people working with Setiba
Behind
to
the scenes.
behind the scenes. That's another reason makes Setiba stands out.
I love that. What are your plans for Setiba? Do you have you just want one location? What are you doing?
Of course. Well, we have a Setiba in Westlake Village. We have a Setiba in Encino, California. And I'm thinking about going international. And one of the countries that I'm planning is Australia.
Oh, all the way to Australia, all
Oh,
the way down under.
I know, because there are people that they love to look younger. They want to look more fresh, but they don't have as much as medical spas there.
No, it's actually funny because a lot of the med spas down there, they have a lot of the older machines.
They're not up to date, and I'm sure they're doing great jobs, but they're not Setiba.
No one is Setiba. Tell me about the facials. So you come in, people get treatments done.
Mhm.
What happens when they go home?
Treatments, lasers are amazing. But I always said you need to do facials. You need to get deep exfoliating. You need the esthetician touch that clean your face, get rid of the blackheads, whiteheads, and gives the glow that your skin needs. Of course, lasers are amazing, but you need to hydrate your skin as well. And one of my favorite facials at our office is Diamond Glow.
Love
That
the diamond glow.
it's amazing. It works on every skin type and texture. It gives a beautiful glow to the skin, and Diamond Glow exfoliates, extracts, and based on what your skin needs, we choose two different serums that infuses at the same time. Actually, one of my favorite treatments, for example, if I want to go to an event, I do adva treatment that gets rid of the blemish, dark circle around the eyes, and right after that, I do Diamond Glow, and my skin looks very firm, tighter, and fresh. And we call it red carpet facial. Amazing! You guys can try it.
The best part about the Adva is that there's no downtime whatsoever. A lot of the treatments do have like a couple days of downtime. The Adva is nothing. There's no downtime. Your skin just looks flawless and
Yes,
keeps getting more
with
flawless.
Advo, no downtime and no numbing. We do it without numbing.
Completely painless. Tell me about other services like injectables.
Of course, liquid lift, it's very popular. You see the results right away. It's very fast. So we work with different fillers like Versa, Juvederm, RHA fillers, Restylane. We work with Juvo, Botox, Xeomin. They all do the same, but it depends on your age and what you would like to achieve. We recommend you, for example, what toxin you want to use. I'm going to use myself as example. I want to have movement. When I talk, I want to be able to raise my eyebrows and to have movement. I use Juvo. We have patients that they want to have 100% freeze look.
That's me. I want to be frozen.
We use Botox on Saba or Xeomin. So again, when you come in for consultation, we do like a treatment plan and we go over every options that we have, and we always give you the best treatment plan that we can do, that you don't have to go here and there, do this, do that, and then come back again from another locations. We have patients that are coming from other locations that they have done the same services, but I believe the techniques or the providers were not as good.
That's very important. Honestly, provider technique is so important. For example, like with our office, like Quinn, she's our PA. You guys will meet her. She's phenomenal. She is always studying, looking up the newest techniques. She's always at trainings. All the staff are. I'm just using
Seminars,
her as an
everyone.
example. They love to be up to date. Like Quinn does like 3-4 Morpheus a day. So if you were to do Morpheus and you come to Quinn, you're in great hands.
Of course. To I want to mention Sabo said Cohen gets training. Everyone at our office, including me, office coordinator, manager, estheticians, everyone, they get training on all the services. If they're doing a treatment or they're not doing the treatment, they get training on all the services to have the knowledge to talk to our patients. One thing that I want to mention that is very important, please, please, please don't choose your provider based on their prices. If their prices is low, do not go them because of their price.
Tell me about some of your favorite combinations with some of the treatments, because maybe some people need a little bit more, a little bit less.
100%. That's why we call non-surgical facelift, because we combine treatments together. For example, Morpheus 8 we use Agnes. Agnes, it's RF microneedling as well, but we can target the problem area. For example, if you have little fat pocket here, or there is a fat under the eyes, with Agnes, we can target it and it looks amazing when we combine it with Morpheus 8. Sometimes we need to do a plasma pen before we do a Morpheus 8 on a patient. So we always combine treatments together. If they want to do body contouring, definitely Morpheus 8 helps. But sometimes on top of Morpheus 8, we do XLS to get a better and tighter look on the skin. And then we do M-Sculpt, of course, on a separate appointment.
Tell me about some of the other injectables that you have at the office that aren't like fillers or Botox.
Well, other injectables that we have, it's vitamins. Vitamin B, vitamin C, glutathione, and it's IV infusions, classic Meyer. We can make a cocktail for you guys based on what you need. Again, when you come in for consultation, based on what you need and based on what is safe for your body, we make a cocktail and we inject you with the IV.
And then moving on from that, also, did you mention the hair, that some of the injectables can help with the hair?
Of course, one of our popular treatments at Setiba, it's the hair treatment for hair loss. PDO threads we do microneedling, we do PRP for hair, and combination of all these three, it gives you a nice result.
The goal at Setiba is to be preventing the need for any surgeries. And then tell me about, do you offer memberships at the office?
Yes, we have different memberships for different age group, and especially for patients that they just come to Setiba. They are very new with all of these services, so we recommend them to start with one of our membership is Refresh. So we introduce them to facials, light therapy, chemical peels, IPL, that they know what it is, and then gradually we introduce them to like more treatment,
stuff.
Exactly. And I want to say, the sooner you start taking care of your skin, you will have a better results, and later on you need to do less treatments to take care of your skin. We lose collagen when we are in our mid-20s, and each year we lose 1%.
That may not sound like a lot,
But
it's a lot.
And with bad habits, with UV exposure, with bad diet, pollutions, it will speed up the process of getting age or wrinkles.
Yeah.
So the sooner you come, and you don't have to do aggressive treatments, just facials, use medical products. When you're 20, when you're 25, do regular facials, do regular microneedling a couple of times a year, then your skin looks amazing.
A lot of the treatments are tailored for the face. However, the neck and hands are the biggest giveaway of your age. You can use any of these treatments anywhere on the body.
And yes, I always recommend our patients neck is part of your face. You can have a facelift, but your neck can shows your age. You can do all the treatments, but your hands can show your age. So any treatments that you do on your face include your neck, and hands are the easiest treatments you can do.
You wear SPF, you wear little driving gloves. I have gloves when I drive. You put them on,
Yeah,
it covers it from the sun.
of course, because when you're young, when you're younger, you always think you're gonna stay beautiful with the glow that you have. But when you get to 30, still you have the glow. But by 30, already your skin got damaged from the with the UV light, sun exposure. And it shows the wrinkle, sun damages, and then you need to do extra treatments on top of the treatments that you need to prevent from wrinkles to get rid of the sun damages and pigmentation.
Yeah, like when you go on the tanning beds or people who put on the tanning oils and sit in the sun. There's nothing wrong with sitting in the sun. However, you should be sitting in the sun under an umbrella with a big hat and wearing SPF, applying it every like 5 minutes.
Of course, make sure cover your face with SPF. You can go to the beach. We don't say don't go to the beach, don't have any outside activity. I love gardening, but when I go out, I have a big hat and I have a big jar of L2MD with me that I reapply if I stay more than 2 to 3 hours for my gardening.
Going off of being tan, we offer laser hair removal at the office.
Yes.
And with laser hair removal, you cannot be tan.
When you do laser hair removal, because laser hair removal attracts to the hair follicles, and hair follicles are dark. If you get tan, then laser, instead of grabbing the hair follicles, is going to grab your skin color, and that can cause burning. So it's safer not to do tan while you're doing the laser hair removal.
Because we want you to be hairless, not burnt.
Yes, definitely, definitely.
Also, everyone's different with laser hair removal. Typically within a package is 6 sessions. However, everyone could always use 6 to 8. It just depends on how thick your hair is, how dark the hair is. If you notice that your hair is not going away after your package, it could be a hormonal issue, which again is why we have hormone therapy.
Yes, if we have patients that they come to us and they say they already did 12 session of laser hair removal and they think that that provider didn't do a good job. And when we talk to them and we do consultation, we find out they have hormone problems that causes the hair grow back.
Yeah.
So no matter if you have hormone problems, no matter if you do 100 times laser hair removal, the laser hair is going to come back. So we need to take care of the hormones, make it balanced, and then you do the laser hair removal, 6 to 8 treatments, and you will have 98% hair reduction.
A lot of the laser hair removal machines are different. Ours is from InMode. We love InMode. That's one of the best machines that I've seen. I did laser hair removal in the past, but that one was really good.
It's very fast. It's diode. It's very fast, painless. For example, it takes about 15 minutes to do full back. Full
Even-
body, we
even
do it
full
in
body.
45 minutes. We
To
do
an hour,
full
yeah,
body.
depending. People are taller or shorter.
Yes. Another treatment we do at Setiba, it's female rejuvenation. If you have incontinence, if you exercise, you have leak. If you laugh or cough, you have leak. This is a perfect treatment. It's very safe. You come in, again, we do a good consultation with you, and there are some lab results from your OB doctor that we need to have, and then we can do the treatment for you. It takes about 2 to 3 treatments, and you will be very happy with the results. It gets rid of the dryness and definitely helps with the sexual sensation as well.
Because that matters. That's important. That's important.
Yeah, we get calls, we get patients for it. So we do offer that service at Setiba as well.
We do. Also, we also have like with our facialist, we have lash lift, lash tint, brow lifts. We have someone who we work with lash extensions.
We do everything. As Sabo said earlier, we are a one-stop shop. You come in A to Z from one room you start, and when you're leaving, you almost went to three, four rooms, and you're gone. And another thing that we do, we are an event planner for your bridal showers,
Birthday
for
parties,
birthday parties.
bachelorettes.
We come in and we do your skincares, we do Botox and fillers, and we do catering, and we decorate very nice. As a provider, we will be there to
Yeah,
provide
for
the
sure.
service for them, but we can plan it. Or even you can come to our office. We schedule the time for you. We have
Close out the office, set it up. Everyone can
exactly.
come get any treatment they want.
Definitely. That's what we have been doing for bridal showers or birthday parties.
It makes it easy. It makes it easy. You have everyone you want to have like a little party. Everyone wants to do Botox. We can come to you. You can come to us. Very easy.
Definitely, definitely. And we have the most friendly, knowledgeable staff. We have the best, sweetest office coordinators. So when you call, even over the phone, you will fall in love with them. So, and we welcome everyone. And we treat you guys VIP. And I guarantee by the time you leave, you will be part of Setiba family.
100%. We love our clients. They are all pretty much family at this point.
We post a lot of before and after pictures on social media. You can follow us on Setiba Medical Spa. You can see our before and after pictures. You can see the reviews our patients are leaving for us. And we are doing this podcast. You can mention the podcast and get additional 10% on services that we have. And what else?
If you have any questions, comments, you just want to come by the office, you can go to our Instagram. All of our info is there. You can more than welcome to give us a call, DM us, whatever floats your boat. We're there for our people. So back to our memberships, we have 3 different tiers. We have the entry level one, then we have about the medium one, and then we get into the really hard stuff. So it's a great way to get into the treatments if you've never done them or you just don't know, because we do have a good amount of options. It can be overwhelming. Do you want to talk about some of the memberships, what they offer?
Of course. The memberships, I just want to let you know, it's not like a gym membership that you pay and then you have guilty feeling you're not going and all the time it's bothering you. With our membership, you come and some of them are twice a month you come and try the services. So we introduce you to microdermabrasion, we introduce you to light therapy, IPL, CO2 for hands. As we mentioned, how important it is to take care of your hands. In one of our memberships, we have CO2 for hands, plasma pen for small areas that we have that you can try and see if you like the treatment. That everyone loves it. They come back to do the rest of the face or neck. We do have XLS skin tightening on the packages. So we have good variety of different effective treatments and the memberships that they can see good results. And then with the membership, when you have, if you want to do, for example, Morpheus 8, because you are already a membership, you get a better deal on the regular price of Morpheus 8.
Yeah, with the memberships, like you'll get 10% off the products. I think it's about 10 to 15% depending on your tier. You can always add on areas. So for example, one of the tiers has microneedling for the face. If you want to add on the neck, it's not too much more. So it kind of works out better to do the membership or
Definitely. Or patients that they haven't done Botox yet. So we have baby Botox that they can start. They come in, they do 10, 15 units Botox 1 month. And if they like it, they can spread it to go to different area. They can do their jawline, they can do their neck for Botox. around the eyes, between eyebrows, forehead, they can do.
You'd be surprised of all the places you can put Botox.
You can do on your palms for excessive sweating. You
Under the
can do on
arms.
under the arms for excessive sweating. And so with membership, you can get familiar with these services. And we talk about the excessive sweating. Another treatment we do beside of Botox is Morpheus 8. For underarms, we do 3 to 4 treatments, and you will have, I would say, 80% reduction on sweating.
Depends though, everyone's different. It could be about more, it could be a little bit less, but you're gonna see a big improvement.
Definitely, definitely. But with Botox, 100, even with Botox, some clients, I would say 80% reduction. I don't
Yeah.
want to say 100% because everybody's different.
Exactly. That's a big key factor to know, because sometimes when people come in for certain treatments and they say, I want to look like this or that, everyone's different.
Definitely. For Morpheus 8, we recommend 3 to 4 treatments. But we have another 48 years old with acne scars, or that they did not take care of their skin at all, so they aged more. We recommend 5 to 6 Morpheus 8. So there is a difference on your skin texture, skin type, and how old you are. If you start sooner to take care of your skin, epidermis is the top layer. If you have pigmentation, sun damages, with chemical peels, with microneedling, dermabrasion, we can take care of it. But if you have sagging skin, we need to work on the dermis. So the sooner you come in, you have more dermis that we can work with. For example, when you are 40 years old, you have this much dermis that we can work with. When you are 60 years old, you have this much dermis that you're giving us to work with. So the sooner you have this much dermis come to us, we can give you the best results. And you look a lot better when you age and you are older.
So a big thing for a lot of people is their eyes. That's like one of the first things that you see because you're looking at them.
It's the window of your face.
Exactly.
Eyebrows and eyes is the window of your face.
Imagine a world with no eyebrows.
We do microblading.
We do. Imagine, so you have your upper and lower eyelids. They could be droopy. Some people, they want to get like a blepharoplasty, but some people don't want to go down the route of surgery. At the office, we have a great treatment. That's
It's called
Agnes.
Agnes. Yes, that take care of the droopy eyelid, eye bags, wrinkles around the eyes. It takes about 2 to 3 treatments, but amazing results. We are very happy. Our patients are very happy with the results. I did one treatment for Cohen actually did one treatment, Agnes, for my dad, and it looks amazing.
Oh yeah, that was crazy.
Yeah, the results are amazing. And to combine with Agnes, you can use the Upneeq product that helps with the droopy eyelid. So,
Like we mentioned before, so it's going to open your eyes. Your eyes are going to look brighter. The whites are going to look whiter. It's going to last about 8 hours. If someone does wear contacts, you want to take your contacts out. Let the drop sit for about 15 minutes before you put in your contacts again. But it's crazy. If you want to look on our Instagram or look up Upneeq, you'll see some before and afters. It really opens your eyes, like really metaphorically and literally.
yes, and when you come in, before we give you the Upneeq, definitely we do a consultation to make sure you are a good candidate for it.
Yes.
If you have a high blood pressure that is not controlled, we don't recommend it. So to do any of the services or products that we have at our office, we require you to come in for a consultation to get the best result and safe treatments.
So to go on to body sculpting, because that's what everyone loves, we have great treatments. So we have, of course, Morpheus leading the pack. We have Exilus. We have M-Sculpt. We have actually Plasma Pen as well
Oh,
to
definitely.
do body sculpting to get you looking like a little pear. We also have a doctor that we work with who does liposuction. We love him. We'll have an episode where it's all about Dr. Azizad and all that he does.
Yes. So for body contouring, we do Morpheus 8 and we do XLS and M-Sculpt. And we do plasma pen for stretch marks. After pregnancy, if you have loose skin, the best treatment for it, I would say, is plasma pen. It shrinks the skin like unbelievable. The results for loose skin anywhere on the body, face, arms, if you lose weight, plasma pen is the best treatment for skin tightening. And one question patients have when they come in, they say, we want to lose weight, so we're going to wait until we lose like 10 pounds, then we're going to come and do our face treatments. I recommend you, while you're losing weight, come and do your face treatment, because it's a lot easier while you're losing weight to do skin tightening and rebuild collagen on your face.
100%.
If you lose weight 10 pounds, and then it takes longer to do the treatments for you. So you need more treatments.
Yeah, even Morpheus 8 is great, like with the arms. If you have a little bit of that stubborn fat, like you have the bra fat, some back
Yeah.
fat, Morpheus 8, Excelus, it really tightens up the skin, melts the fat. It's really good.
If you want to remove fat non-surgically, we have the best equipment. We have Morpheus 8 body, we have Agnes for skin tightening, we have plasma pen. And again, if your body it has more fat than Morpheus 8 or Excelus cannot do it, we have Dr. Azizad that who does the liposuction for you guys.
He'll take all your fat. You're a mother. You're my mother.
Proudly mother.
You're my mother. Mother's Day is coming up. What are some specials at Setiba that you have that I can get an idea to get you?
Of course.
And everyone else for their mothers.
Of course. So for Mother's Day, right now for Morpheus 8, because it's a very popular treatment and I know all the moms loves it, we have a promotion for full face and neck, only 900. And we have another promotion, Diamond Glow Facial. Normally it is $375, but we are doing it for $250 if you buy a package of 3, which is a great price as well. And for Botox, Xeomin Juvo, if you buy 100 units, which these days everybody does that. If you buy 100 units of Botox, Xeomin or Juvo, the price will be $10 per unit. You can bank it and use it anytime that you want. This way you can take advantage of the promotion. We have for Upneeq, we have promotion for 45 days supply. It is $230. And for plasma pen, we have 20% off. And for the rest of the services, for Mother's Day, we have everything on promotion. The best way, I would say, give us a call and come in for a consultation for the treatment that you want to do. And we will honor you the Mother's Day special.
Yeah, that's a big thing. Honestly, consultations are going to be your best friend because people will call and they'll say, well, how many treatments do you think I need? And it's hard to say over the phone. It's best to come in and talk to the provider and see what they would recommend.
Definitely. And we have been offering complimentary consultation at our office. I say we will continue offering that up to end of July. And after July, there will be a charge for our consultation that goes towards of your treatment when you do the treatment with us. Because for 5 years, we've been doing it for complimentary. And I hope you guys will understand that it's the experience and the time of the providers that they're spending time and doing the consultations.
So this was our first podcast, but we're not going anywhere. We'll be back every week with a different guest or more. We've talked about Morpheus 8 a lot today, so hopefully we'll be able to get our rep in. We'll see.
We'll get him in.
He has to. We'll have our staff Quinn, Jordan, Angelina, Neva, Destiny. I myself will be back again.
Yeah, on each episode, we will have a provider, we will have doctors, we will talk about all the surgical, non surgical treatments, and you guys will see some of the fun or drama
On our
behind the
YouTube.
scenes at Setiba too.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you guys gonna love that.
Yeah, you guys can subscribe to our podcast. You can subscribe to our YouTube. You're definitely not going to want to miss what we have coming up. If you have any questions, you can call us or go to our Instagram. All our info's there. You can DM us and mention the podcast for 10% off at the office.
All right, so that was it for today. Thank you, Saba.
Thank you so much.
Of course, and looking forward for our next episode.
We'll see you guys next week.
Thank you for joining us. The podcast show will have weekly episodes covering all treatments and services offered at Setiba Medical Spa. And weekly episodes will go live not only on our YouTube channel, but also on all podcast platforms you can tune into using Alexa and Siri.